Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Open the Bkash app and make sure it's updated, because older versions hide settings. Once done, export any receipts you need. You won't recover them after clearing local data. Now go straight to settings within the app and scan for options labeled History, Transaction Log, or Privacy. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if the app will sync or request server changes, and be ready to authenticate with your PIN or OTP when prompted. Next, focus on removing local traces. Inside the app, choose Clear History or Use Date filters to remove visible entries. This affects the device view. If entries remain, exit the app and go to your phone settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Bkash, right arrow Storage, then Clear Cache and Data. This resets the local display. Once you clear data, reinstall the app if needed and sign in again so only server-side records remain. Remember, finally, if you need server records changed, you must contact Bkash support and request correction or data erasure. You cannot delete server transactions from the app. Provide transaction ID, your verified identity, and a clear reason. Once you submit, note the ticket number and expected response time. If they refuse, ask about privacy law procedures or formal data erasure forms. Troubleshooting tip: if support claims no action possible, escalate with proof of identity and a written request so you have a documented trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.